What up, you guys? It's your boy Red coming at you. We got an in-hand look here at Drip Overload 413. This is one of the coolest sneakers I've ever had. Yes, I was so lucky enough to be like at the mall when these went first come, first serve. I have not bought myself a pair of sneakers in a while. I just have not really had it like that. That's one thing I love about Dunks. They're affordable. Look at the detail on this shoe. This is the Nike SB Dunk there. I would like to know the story behind this. This came with 6 laces. The flat pair, green and black, that's in here. Flat black and orange. Regular SB black. Regular like SB black again. SB green. SB orange, and then the ones that came in here. And then they also came with these right here to change out from these. The inside, very cool. Check out the detail on these though, guys. You got the face and stuff here. This shoe's different. Very cool pair. This is for the toe. Really glad I got these. Let me know if you guys went for these. Let me know if you got them. Let me know if you want them. It's your boy, Big Red, Drip Overload 413. We're out. Peace.